guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. So in today's video guys, I'll be reviewing a lotion, right? This lotion is a lotion that I feel has given a lot of good reviews based on people's usage, and is a product that can be used by all skin tone, right? All skin type, all skin color. But basically for me, I feel the people that should be using this particular product I'm about to review are for people who are ebony skin or chocolate skin. Even though the product claims to lighten, but I feel it gives this good result for people who are ebony and chocolate. So for the ebony skin, they're always looking for a product to brighten them. They don't really need a product to lighten, they just need a product to make their skin glow and shine. Really, that's what they need. So without further ado, I don't want to waste much time on this review. It's going to be a brief one. Which product am I reviewing, guys? Is this one here? Yes, the Clear Nature 3x Carrot Maxi-Plus. Clear Nature 3x Carrot Maxi-Plus, right? It claims that you start seeing visible result in 7 days. Now any product I say 7 days, guys, I used to say don't believe them. So some people, that 7 days is what that's the catching point for them, but really don't believe these things. They are just marketing strategy. Now this product is infused with a lot of carrot extract, up to 3x. So carrot, we know, is very good for our skin. It helps to brighten your skin. Carrot has carotene in it. You know, we know that carrot is very good for our skin. Carrot has a key ingredient called the beta carotene. Now what beta carotene does for you is that it helps to target aging because it's an antioxidant. So the work it does is to clear those free radicals and help your skin to glow. Carrot also brightens. It's just like a vitamin C. It has vitamin C ingredient. Yes, it's an antioxidant. It also helps to brighten your skin. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, you're suffering from wrinkles, you're suffering from fine lines, you need products that have carrot extract in it, such that the beta carotene in such would help to clear those wrinkle by producing a lot of collagen to the skin, and then it will help to, you know, firm up your skin and glow it, thereby reducing the appearances of fine lines and wrinkle. So you need beta carotene if you're trying to clear hyperpigmentation, spots, you're trying to clear dark mark, you're trying to look young and have this glassy look, you are trying to have this youthful glow. Products with carrot extract in them will help you achieve that. So this product has carrot extract and up to 3x, so that's to say it's infused with a lot of carrot extract. Now it is a 400 ml bottle, and it is scented. Yes, it has a bit of fragrance in it. I don't have any here, I would have shown you, but it is scented, but the scent is not really choking. So if you're somebody who doesn't like scent, perhaps you don't want to go to it, but it really works. It brightens, and it won't give you all this kind of patch brightening or lightening where you have things that could damage your skin. No, this Clear Nature 3x Maxi-Plus will not do that. For me, I feel this cream is for people who are trying to treat a particular concern. So it targets more of people, it targets more of hyperpigmentation, sunburn. So if you have sunburn, this product will help you clear your sunburn. And if you're ebony skin too, you can use it. It will not lighten you. This cream doesn't lighten, it brightens. Then after a while, over time, it will maybe give you a shade. So what, this is a cream that you can use to achieve a glowy, healthy skin, not a bleaching product. So for me, this is not a bleaching product. I've seen people who are dark skinned, they are using it and it's giving them a beautiful skin tone. Their skin is looking glassy. So even if you're fair skin and you want to maintain your skin tone, you can use this for a maintenance cream. It would not give you this uneven lightening. No, it's going to just balance your skin, and it's very hydrating. The consistency is a bit thick but not too thick, and it is a whopping 400 ml. So you can try it out if you want to go for it. For me, I feel it's not a bad cream. I've not really seen any negative feedback on this cream. People who have been using it has given good feedback on it. I'm not here to market this product. I don't have affiliation with them. I'm just here to review, just because of my passion for your skin. I want your skin to look beautiful and healthy, and that's why I'm coming to preach on this channel products that will give you that glassy look. So on this note, guys, I'll be wrapping today's video. If you have not subscribed, please support this channel. Support us by clicking on the subscription button and turning on the notification bell, so when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the very first to be notified. Also drop us your location in the comment section so we'll be able to thank you and know where you're watching from. Until I come your way next time, still your girl Blessing. Bye.